Hello friends, this is Rajul Sudhar, Assistant Professor of Sri Swaminarayan Institute of Technology. Welcome to the video tutorials of Object-Oriented Programming. In Object-Oriented Programming, Unit 8, previously we have discussed the JavaFX UI control like the radio button, checkbox, and we have discussed about the label and buttons. In this session, we will discuss about the text field. What is the use of text field? So it is an input field which take the input from user. It is created by instantiating the text field class. Please like and subscribe the channel. The package for the text field is the javafx.scene.control.text field, and we required whenever we require the username and password. So this type of a text field is most important. Let me discuss. So text input component that allow a user to enter a single line of a unformatted text. We can say that it is a unformatted text. It have the text class like the constructor text field without any argument, so it create the text field with the empty text content, and text field with the string text, so it create the text field with initial text content. Get text is one method is used to get the text from the text field. Let me check with one example. You can try this example in NetBeans latest version or oldest version, but you have to check the JavaFX is installed or libraries of JavaFX is available in NetBeans. You can run the program in Eclipse also. Various compiler also available on the net. You can try this example also in various compiler of Java. First of all, this example required the import statement like javafx.application, scene.scene, scene.control.star, scene.layout.grid panel, stage.stage, and if you remaining the various type of control, so you have to cover the javafx scene.control.star, means it's cover the all the component related to the control of JavaFX UI. Here the class name is a text field demo, text and application, public static void main string argument s, and we launch particular argument. It override public void stage, start stage, primary stage through exception. We require two labels. Label is useful for non-editable text, and we are using the text field to editable. So here the label user ID is equal to new label user ID, and label password is equal to new label password. So this username and password is displayed, and we cannot change the value of user ID and password. So it is called the label. But here we also require the text field. So this text field 1 tf1 is one object for text field is equal to new text field, same for the username and password. So we require the second text field is equal to text field tf2 is equal to new text field for password. One button is required like submit button or OK button or cancel button. So here object of a submit button is created. Grid pane root is equal to new grid pane, and root is equal to add row 0 user ID and tf1. Root dot add row 1 password tf2. Root dot add row second. We required number of row can add. Here the scene is equal to one scene object, that is a scene is equal to new scene. We required the value of x and y, so root 300 and 200. Primary stage dot set scene, and we set the title by text field example, and we show the primary stage by using the primary stage dot show method. So this type of output will be generated like text field. This is the title, whatever here, then user ID written in by using the label. We are using the label. So user ID and password, it is not an editable text. But if you enter the text, so you require the text field. So this admin written in the text field, or you have to write the password in this second text field. What is the text area? Text area, same like the text field. So it is the text input component that allow a user to enter multiple lines. Like if we want to type the address 1, address 2, primary address, or corresponding address, permanent address and corresponding address, or if we want to add some description, like if we fill the if we are register, or if we require the comment in our registration form, so this text area is useful. Here the constructor like text area, it create the text area with empty text content, and second text area with the string text, so it create the text area with initial text content, same like the text field. Here the example, you can work with the text field, so also required the import statement, but here not mentioned. Directly we have written the public class text area demo extend application. Here text area is useful. A combo box is a typical element of a user interface that enable a user to choose one of the several options. Like combo box is a helpful when a number of items to show exceed some limit, because it can be add scrolling to the drop down list. So combo box have the empty item list. If we have the no argument, combo box have the observation list, like list of item. If we covered in observation list, so this type of a syntax is used. Create a default combo box instance with the provide item list. So this is the example. You can create the list, drop down list. So here the label is required to particular caption, so select the captain. You can select any captain from below mention. Combo box string combo box is equal to new combo box. This is the object created for combo box. Here hbox is used, means your data will be displayed horizontally. hbox.getChildren.add all. So by using this way you can display the content. Like if you click here, so your content will be displayed. What is your list? MS Dhoni, SR Tendulkar, or SC Ganguly. List view, same way. If we want to display the horizontal or vertical list of item from which user select or which user may interact, so here the constructor for the list view, it create the default list view which will display the contents stack vertically, and list view it observable list. Here the item like create a default list which will stack the content retrieve. So this is the example for list view. For that also required the label, because we have to some of the text like non-editable text. So this is the list. What is the difference between combo box and list box? This type of a question asked in GTU exam. So you can apply, you can select any value, particular single value from combo box, but list view represent the all the value at a time. So combo box control is useful when the user has to choose one item from a list of item, while list view is similar to the combo box, but instead of drop down list, it is a horizontal or vertical list of item which user can choose. The list view also allow user to select the single or multiple items. So by using this way, hbox is equal to new hbox. Here hbox.getChildren, you can add the number of element in the list. So this is the output. Here not any drop down arrow is used because list directly show the all the element whatever you have entered in your program. Scroll bar we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you for attending this session.